So imagine how many times you spend on your phone taking pictures. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you an application that pays you to take pictures, explore places, at the same time answer a couple of questions of different topics, different issues that are going within your society. And this application actually pays. So if you stay tuned to the end of the video, you're going to see my withdrawal proof of this application as I get straight into it. Hi, what's up everybody? So Boy Queen hitting you with another video of how you can make money online. So basically today I'm going to be talking about an application that pays you to take pictures, explore places, at the same time answer questions. So this application is called Premisy. What Premisy does is it requires you to take pictures of certain places, for example restaurant, farmers, college institution, banks, ATMs. That's the type of photos, and they are going to pay you at least 20 cents per task or per picture that you're going to be taking. At the same time, it's going to ask you for actually bigger jobs like exploring places where they're going to pay you from $1 to $3, sometimes even $5. So when you're talking about exploring places, this is what it does is they ask you to turn on your location so that they will know your location where you are, and so that when they give you exploring places, they are going to know the distance between where you are and the location that they want you to go. That means it's going to charge you according to the distance that you're going to take to get to that place. So this location, maybe they require you to go to a certain place, maybe a church or maybe a fuel station. So when you get there, they'll ask you a couple of questions or take certain pictures of that environment, maybe 2 or 3. Then you're going to get your $3 or your $2 or your $5 from doing that. So this is the type of job that they'll be asking you to do. At the same time, on a daily basis, sometimes these big jobs may not come on a daily basis, but maybe 3 or 4 times a week. Maybe they will get maybe 4 jobs within a day. Then maybe for the next 2 days you're not going to get any, according to the exploring type of job that you'll be getting. But at the same time, you're going to get checking interviews or surveys that you're supposed actually to answer. So these surveys are small surveys that will take you from 3 minutes to 4 minutes to answer. So some of the questions that they'll be asking you is about COVID-19 vaccine. They'll be talking about gender equality. They'll be talking about online shopping. So it differentiates from the type of topic that they'll bring up to you. Then they're going to pay from 4 cents to 10 cents for those questions, which are going to take maybe, if you have good connection, going to take you a minute or 2 minutes to actually complete those jobs. So let's get into the application. But before I show you my application and the withdrawal proof that I've done in the previous time, even though I'm not mainly focused on the application, I'm just trying it out to see if it really pays. They've certain payouts that actually they offer, which is PayPal, which is Bitcoin, there's top up. Anyways, I'm going to show you when I get straight into the video on my phone, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up? We're back again. So the application that we're talking about is Premisy. So let me just get into the application. So as you can see, usually this is the column where you find the service. They're going to be paying you from 4 cents to 20 cents. But so that there are no service, because I actually have done all the service that we require for today. I think today I did about 6 of them. Then you come here. This is where you get starts with taking pictures on location. So this is the type of pictures that will ask you to go and take. Here there's currency exchange. So if you click here, they're going to give you all the requirements that is needed. So you're supposed to take currency exchange on ATMs, money transfer location, e.g. Western Union, MoneyGram, etc. So this is actually what is required here. Then you get your 20 cents. Just go and take the picture of the place. Then here on explore, this is whereby they task you to go to certain place, a specific location.
then they'll ask you a couple of questions when you're there. Then you're going to get from $1 to $3 to do the task. Usually takes less than 20 minutes to do that. Then here on my task, so these are the service that I've done today right here that are waiting for payment, and these are the 4, since these are just service, and these are some of the tasks that have been given. So we come to payment right here. You see I've withdrawn $5.66, and here it challenges with my Coinbase account, but luckily I was able to fix it. So this withdrawal, actually I was paid through Coinbase. So if you click here and come to add payment method, these are some of the withdrawal methods that are there. There's top up, this is ATM, then there's Payoneer, there's PayPal, then there's Coinbase Bitcoin. So these are the withdrawal methods that are there. So it's quite easy to earn a couple of bucks, so that I haven't been giving it too much time and focus on, but you see very soon I'll be able to withdraw another $5 from there. So now I'm going to show you my withdrawal proof, that I actually received that $5.66. So I'm gonna get here, let me type Coinbase. So where's the money that I received here? Right here. So Premise Data just sent you Bitcoin. So here you see I've received $5.69 from the Premise application. So you can see it actually pays. So this is my payment.
If you like the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave the notification on so that you can see upcoming videos that I'm going to be sharing with you. So if you have any question, may you please leave it in the comment section below. At the same time, I'm going to put the link of the application in the comments below. At the same time, if you have any other website or application that you would like me to go through to see actually if it pays, please leave a comment below. Cheers.